Hey guys, this is a tutorial on starfall.com. It is what we use daily in the classroom for our morning meeting. It's got a few great free activities on here as well, but I figured I'd walk you through it. So first off, you want to go to www.starfall.com, and it'll bring you up to the screen. So here we are. I like the grades one, two, and three. It has more activities plus a calendar. And like I said, the calendar is what we do for a morning meeting. You can walk your kids through the calendar or let them do it by themselves, but this way they're getting a little bit of consistency at home as well. So I'm going to click on grades one, two, three, and calendar is over here. So you're just going to click on that as well. It's loading. You're gonna press Monday, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So you can have your kids click through it. And this is accessible on both um, like an iPad or tablet device as well as a computer. So depending on what you're doing with your kids, um, you can use it either way. And then they'll click through it. All right. And they'll just keep clicking through it. You can have them drag it. For some of the kids, they might not be able to independently drag it themselves, but either way, the consistency and the sounds will hopefully be beneficial for them. And then you could have them put special days up. Let's say it's a family member's birthday. You can have them drag, drop, and click. And then you move to the end. Today's St. Patrick's Day, so we'll do that one. I usually let the kids change the backgrounds depending on what they want. Just changes the top part. It's simple and fun and just something that provides a couple of minutes of continuity while they're at home with you. All right. So another thing that we were doing on Starfall in the mornings when we were starting, each day there's different activities up here. So last month we were doing the Valentine. This one there is the St. Patrick's Day, which you can still do. Just want to touch the rake and look under the snake. So you click the rake. It provides different prompts every time, so you can go through it a couple of times if you want to. You can let them explore it themselves, but either way. So this is just a brief tutorial just so that you can explore it with your kids. Every day I plan on posting a morning meeting, just talking about the weather, the day, quick, simple, and fun, but this is something to supplement it just to help you guys out at home. And remember, it's starfall.com.